getting any responses. So how to write a program? So now I am going to right click on my package. So new class file. I need a class file because I want to do or to take a name, storing a name and displaying the name, and click on class. So give the name of the class. The class name is NameTest because I am following the Pascal rule. What is a Pascal rule? Pascal rule means Java is always following Pascal rule for the classes. For example, there is two words, name and test. So whenever we are combining these two letters, the first one is the capital letter and the second word first letter is also the capital letter. That is Pascal rule. Java must follows the Pascal rule. So click on finish. It creates a new class for main, public class name test. Now you are going to write a main method. Control Shift and press enter. Now you are going to get the main method. Now I asked the user to store a string and display the string. Okay, string is the wrapper class as well as we considered as a data type in Java. You can give any variable like name is my variable, name is my variable, semicolon. Under the name equals to, you can assign any particular string value. For example, I am assigning Rajesh like this. I am storing some name here like this, like this. Okay, I stored the name and I am going to display the name. How I am going to display the name? System. Control Shift and press enter. System.out.println. Now you can write some string here. Your name is plus the data. Where is that particular value will be there in the name variable plus name plus name. So that means this is this is the string we concatenated with the variable plus name. That means whatever value that was there in the name variable, I have some value. Okay, what is the size of this particular variable? That is of, anyone please tell me, students, what is the size of the name variable? I want answer. Obtain, that is the length of the string. I am asking the way. For example, in C language, if you declare int a, what is the size of the a variable? 2 bytes. The same thing in Java, that is 4 bytes. If I declare int a in Java, it is 4 bytes. Okay. For string name, how many bytes it is going to take? Please tell me fast. String name is a variable we declared under string. How much space it is going to occupy? The memory. You already know. Any other answers? Any other answers, students? You can also write in the chat box. Students, are you listening or not? 16 bytes, yes, right answer. String is going to store 16 bytes. Okay, so for each variable, for example, name I stored one particular string here. If I want to store another string str, I will declare another variable, and this is also occupies 16 bytes like this. Okay, right now I have only one variable. Click on save. 16 bytes, please remember students, sometimes it will be asked. So if I execute this particular program, right click, run as Java application. Now I directly get the answer. Through user, how can I store the name to user? That means it is static. Static means I directly, as how many times I execute the program, the same output will come. How many times I execute? How many times I execute the program, the same output, your name is Rajesh. But at the runtime, that means whenever we are executing the program, it will ask the username. What is the statements I need to write? Students, tell me what I have to use. This is static. Dynamically, I want to get the data. How can I get the data? I like this. See here, I am not, it is static. That's why I am going to put a comment. How to write a comment in C, in Java? Put, this is single line comment. Multi-line comment means we will put entire way. That means here, for example, I want to put the comment for the entire 3 lines. You will use this similarly like C language. Star, star slash. Okay. Now, so I am removing here. I am not going to put a multi-line comment here. I just comment this particular line. What is the goal of the comment? Anyone please tell me what is the goal of the comment? Yes, it is not executed by the compiler. Okay, so it is only for the use of the end user. That means who is the programmer. He will tells which statement. For example, if I declare string, so I can put a comment before this particular string. I am declaration of, what is the comment here? Declaration of string variable, string, declaration of name variable, declaration of name variable under string. Okay, under string data type. Wrapper class, actually string is also considered as a data type. Right now you can consider it as data type. Okay, now this is the comment. Similarly, I can put a comment for the next line like this. How many lines I want, I will put the comments. Comment will not be executed. So next thing is string name followed by, I will ask, I have to take scanner class. Okay, so there is 4 different classes is there, 4 different ways to input the value dynamically. What are the 4 different ways is, we have console is the first way. Console, C equals to new console. Like this you can create a class and we will store using console, using input stream reader, using buffer reader, using scanner. There is 4 ways to store the item, store the value. Standard in, we already see the system.out. System.out is the system.out object. It is used to print some content in the output. System.in, we have to use sometimes system.in. The major purpose of the system.in is used to take the input from the user. So for that part, for system.in means we are going to give some input. How can I give the input? By using different ways. One is console reader, another one is input stream reader, another one is buffer reader, another one is scanner. Nowadays all are using scanner. Buffer reader is also going to use, that will be, we understand in the files concept. So let me go for Scanner is the predefined class. Scanner space sc, you can give any particular object. Scanner is the predefined class, equals to new scanner of what? System.in. Okay, this is the object we need to pass, but Java is going to give an error because what is scanner? Scanner is there in which package? I already tell system is the predefined package that was there in java.lang, but where is the scanner? See here, you got an error. This is the red line is an error. So you can click in this particular balloon button provided by the Eclipse. Scanner. Okay, Karthik is already written the program that was shown in the inbox. Scanner. Okay, yes, right answer. Right, Karthik. Yes. Util package. Yes, right. Util package. You can click on this particular balloon button and you can import the java.util. Otherwise, press here Control Shift and enter. Control Shift, always Control hold Shift, then it will be automatically suggested which package it is. Scanner is the predefined class under java.util package. You can also get the description at the right side panel. If you see in the right side panel, it is automatically shown the description. So press enter, automatically it will be added java.util.scanner. Okay, sorry. Scanner. Okay, now next thing is I will ask the end user syso standard output, press enter, and asking the end user to enter any name. Enter any name. Now name equals to sc dot next line. So what is that? Sc is the object I created here. Scanner sc is an object I created. Using sc object, we are going to call next line. Next line is the predefined function. It is used to read a line. Nothing but a string. It will be stored under name variable. Previously, we directly assigned the name. It is dynamic. It is static. Now, once again, I will run my program. Save it. Please save before going to execute. Save it. Right click. Run as Java application. Now it is going to ask the name of the person. Any person, you can give any particular person, like Monica. So if I entered, click on enter, then your name is Monica. Like this, any particular person will give dynamic output using scanner. Scanner is a little bit easy. Every time we will use the scanner. Okay, student, you understand? Scanner. What is scanner? Scanner is the predefined class. It is going to take an argument that is the system.in object. Okay, what is the main goal of system.in? System.in is used to take the input from the user. That's why we will use system.in. So we have three different system objects. Also, we can also say .in is a system object. It refers to input. .out is the system object. It refers to system output. And we also having the another thing that is System.err. System.err will raise us whenever we are making